What does this mean? Hopefully you didn't sell all your bags. We don't believe this is the end of the market cycle, and neither do the whales. But when the whales see the market frothy, hold on. When the whales see the market frothy, when the whales see a bunch of us on leverage, they take advantage of the situation. Hence, our Bitcoin long is hit the stop loss. Lost a little bit on that one, but that's okay. Can't win them all. We did take another long in the market, sitting at about 115K right now. 115K.3. I'm gonna hold this one for a little while now. Bitcoin could go as low as 112, as long as we don't break the bottom of the range, which we see around 112, 111K. We're all right. And really, we're still maintaining our bull market structure as long as we're staying above 110. So I would not be too worried about the end of the run at this point, to be quite honest with you. The next things I really wanted to talk about is how do we position ourselves in this kind of market, right? Do we play the conservative game and go into stables, just earn a little bit of yield, wait for the next dip? Or do we go all in? This doesn't change our perspective on ETH and BTC. We talked about it yesterday in the live stream, but ETH BTC is starting to show strength. Now, in the near term, quite possible that ETH shows weakness against BTC. We may have some of that liquidity go back to Bitcoin. But through the rest of the year, I'm much more bullish on Ethereum than I'm ever on Bitcoin. So don't let those whales manipulating the market scare you out of your positions. They didn't scare me out of any of mine. Now, I did make some changes. Bought some tau on this dip. We bought a little bit of Arrow, whole bunch of ETH. And I'm always buying Bitcoin, at least weekly, sometimes daily. So what are your plays and your moves in the market right now? Are you heavy in altcoins? Does that rub you the wrong way when Bitcoin shows weakness? Because when that happens, altcoins are going to bleed a heck of a lot more than Bitcoin. Here's the thing. If you want to make the crazy gains in this market, you have to be willing to take the risk. And when Bitcoin drops, the rest of the markets are going to follow. Everything follows Bitcoin. This isn't financial advice, but for those of you out there who are heavy in alts, heavy in degen like plays, meme coins, small liquidity pools, whatever that may be, every one of those things should be vessels to stack more stats, to stack more Bitcoin. So if you're up on anything, I would always consider taking profits. We paid off most of our DeFi lending positions. We've consolidated some of the positions within our Krystal vault. You should check that out. We got this new position, Zora USDC. It's been averaging like 3,500%. Crazy yield. Now, it's been on a downtrend. Token is suffering some impermanent loss, but yield is making up for it. We consolidated some of our positions in our Krystal Finance portfolio into that position. Although the portfolio itself is still very heavy in Ethereum and that virtual USDC position, which honestly has been performing excellent. The only thing that didn't perform excellent today was my Bitcoin long. That one looked terrible. We closed it out, entered in again, like I said, around 15.25. But we took a loss on that last one. Can't win them all. So if you're out there and the blood on the streets is bothering you right now, go outside, go to the gym, do something to get your mind off of it. Do not revenge trade your way trying to get your gains back, because that is probably one of the best ways to get wrecked in this game. And yes, I've done that before. Anyone in this space who says they haven't is a liar, more than likely. So, on that note, be sure, not financial advice, of course, we keep the majority of our portfolio in Bitcoin and ETH. Yeah, you're not going to get those 100x gains, 20x gains even, really, from Bitcoin and ETH, but you have kind of your crypto safety net, your crypto foundation. You can take other small amounts of your portfolio and can use that to farm liquidity pools, farm some ETH, right? Play around in the meme coin jungle. Maybe invest in some new ICOs or early stage projects. We're looking at one right now. I don't want to introduce it yet, mainly because I really believe that much of their bull case depends on a relationship that may be or may not be formed with Coinbase. Tokenomics are kind of screwy right now, or the whole token situation, but it's going to be a possible play in the DeFi space, DeFi AI agent space. I know I've mentioned it before on a couple of these streams, but once I feel comfortable talking about that one, I'm kind of excited to. So, bull market's not over. At least I don't believe it's over. Now, the bull market is far along. It is. You're not early, but you're not late either. Retail is just coming back. The other day, one of our videos popped 1,000 views really quick. That just doesn't happen on small channels like us, or at least not yet. But we'd like that to change. So if you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe, ping that notification bell. And if you really enjoy content like this, check out our free Telegram group, or find me over on X at CryptoZone1013, or check out articles on our webpage at dadsdefispace.org. I'm still trying to cool down from our workout and walk with the dog. Can't really see your comments on my phone, but I hope all of y'all are having a great day. I got some videos coming out in the near future. One, I want to have a discussion about the strength of ETH BTC. I think that ETH BTC is going to give us some awesome DeFi opportunities, possible leverage trading opportunities in the near future.